hydrogen cars or hydrogen vehicles, which we heard in the starting about them very much, but they are not, means we are not using them, means what the reason behind that?
Two reasons. One is, of course, hydrogen is very cheap. Problem with hydrogen is, storing. Hydrogen is extremely inflammable. So you have to store the hydrogen properly. So the research is to actually storing hydrogen. Generation of hydrogen is very simple, but you have to store the hydrogen. So people have not been able to store it at a rate which people can make it commercial.
And sir, even if we are able to store the hydrogen, won't it be very heavy? The tank would be very heavy, and the weight of
not heavy. Hydrogen is a very light gas. I understand it will be very big.
Yeah.
Right. So that is the idea, to store hydrogen very dense storage of hydrogen. That is the challenge.
So to how much level we can compress it?
Yeah, so people actually, you should not compress it, because then again you have to remove it. So people are actually trying to say to store the hydrogens much higher weight percentage in this kind of materials, nanotubes and those things. And there is a promise, these are possible. But the only thing is you have to also understand, this is unfortunately true. See, you have these big oil companies, they have invested so much of money. Now if you are going to a hydrogen economy, they will become jobless. So there is even they will not allow funding. So there is a problem. Good question. Thank you.
Sir, I heard that when hydrogen binds with oxygen, it creates a large explosion. So a lot of energy is released. Then can you tell us about the steps taken to control that explosion?
Yeah, H2 plus O2 will give water, right? But then you have to do it slowly. And there are processes to do it. You can do it. Yes. Yes.
So to get a superconductor, why should we need low temperature?
Good question. See, what happens, superconducting is a state in which there is no, so the electrons will move from one end to another end without any collision, right? Now if there is a temperature, it will get disorder. Like temperature is like disorder. The definition of temperature is actually disorder. So what happens, if you have more disorder, the electrons will become like this. For example, if this gentleman wants to go from here to here, he can walk. But if all of you are moving around, he cannot go. No. That is exactly. So there is more disorder. Yeah.
Sir, will you please explain Schrodinger wave equation? We know about it, but exactly what is it trying to say? We can't get it. There was a line in our lesson that Schrodinger ने ऐसे काल्पनिक ग्रह वाले समुद्र के उनमें से ये Schrodinger wave equation बना है, so we can't get it.
Sure. Yeah, is it going to question? Say Schrodinger wave equation. See, a Schrodinger equation explains the motion of an electron, right? Motion of any electron. But of course, in chemistry, we are interested to study the motion of an electron under a nucleus potential, like a hydrogen atom. So, what Schrodinger suggested that an electron, electron is a quantum mechanical particle. It has a particle nature as well as wave nature. So, since it is a wave, Schrodinger showed that this is a wave. For example, a standing wave has a kind of a sin x, standing wave. So Schrodinger equation is also a standing wave, like a wave across a nucleus. And based on the conditions that it is standing, in the sense the point where it will start is the same point it will meet, you can come up with a solution, and it is a second order partial differential equation. And a Schrodinger equation is a kinetic energy term. What are the two forms of energy? Kinetic energy and potential energy. So Schrodinger energy also has a kinetic energy term and a potential energy term. Potential energy term for a hydrogen atom is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Z square by R, right? That is the potential electrostatic. And what is the kinetic energy term? Kinetic energy term is quantum mechanical in a way. That is the h cut square by 2m del chi square by del x square, right? If it is in one dimension. So that is the question. Yes.
So why can't we use plastic for making roads?
Making
Roads
roads.
instead of cement.
Okay, but you see, plastics are softer material, no? And also plastic will melt. Certainly in Gujarat it will melt so much temperature, 45.
Road created in Karnataka by the Karnataka government, which is much stronger than the cement road.
Yeah, you can make plastic much smarter, but it may be more expensive also. See, you have to see, you can make things, but it has to also economically viable. Probably it is more expensive. I don't know why Karnataka did it. Maybe it helps in other things. I don't know. See, this placebo effect, I really don't think it is science. Okay, so placebo effect is like, I don't know, placebo effect is, I don't know, if I say this it will be bad. Some people say homeopathy is a placebo effect. I don't know, I myself don't know. So, see, placebo effect means it's like if you believe in something, it happens. I don't know, it is not science. So I will not comment on that. Tell me.
What decides that adenine has to bind with cyclin on the free acid?
See, what she is asking, what decides that adenine will bind only with thymine or guanine with only cytosine? The answer is adenine has exactly the hydrogen bond at the same positions where thymine can bind. That is so specific. It cannot bind a guanine because that will not match. The hydrogen bonding criteria will not match. It will be skewed. Yes?
Sir, why the vegetable oils are harmful for our body?
Vegetable oils are not harmful, by the way. If you eat too much, then it is bad, then it will create cholesterol. But if you are working very hard, I am sure people, for example, vegetable oil is cheaper, much cheaper than the natural oils. But also it has a more cholesterol. See, you have to understand, oils, you need fats. All of us need fats. But if you have a very sedentary lifestyle, you are eating and sleeping, okay? And many of you only read. No, if you have a very hard-working thing, you need fats. So as a result, I would say vegetable oils are very good. In fact, they give you very nice, good fat for a very cheaper price. But if you are eating and not working, then it is a problem. Of course, vegetable fats, vegetable oils have higher percentage of cholesterol, but that doesn't matter if you are working very hard. For example, many of the laborers, poor people, they work very hard, and if they can get oil, and they need oil, by the way. So if they need oil, then they should eat that, no problem. Earlier days, of course, the problem with vegetable oil was, if you remember, the old people like us, people used to say that, vegetable oils mein puri banate hai to acidity hota hai. I don't know, they used to say that. Vegetable oil mein acidity hota hai. There was a reason, you know why? See, the vegetable oil is done over a nickel catalyst, right? So earlier days, if you look at the daldas, they used to have very light bluish tinge. Why? Because they were not able to separate out that nickel. So that nickel will create you acidity. But now I think that those varieties which we have now in the market, Vanaspati, they are much better. So it is good. Okay, but you should not only sit at home in an AC room and eat dalda and eat fry. That is not good. Then you should eat natural oil with less food, with less saturated fats. Good question. 1 minute. Let me ask. Exist? I will come to that. I have some slides. I will show you.
So you told right now that due to global warming or global cooling, colder regions are getting colder and warmer regions are getting warmer. Then why does the glaciers of Himalayas affect?
And that's also by see, this is the question you raised. You should have asked those questions. In fact, this is a very good. What is your name? Rajat. Rajat asked a very good question. In fact, that is a question which people asked Rajendra Pachauri. Of course, his this thing got a Nobel Prize. And then I don't think by the way, I don't think Himalayas are melting. Don't worry. This was a wrong result.
And
It is a fabricated result. Yes.
They are showing in either newspapers or that the level of ice where few years before and right now it has came down or has decreased.
In Himalayas?
Yes.
I don't think that is correct. That is wrong. In fact, they have retracted those papers. This is wrong. People were actually scaring our people. So Himalayas are not melting. Don't worry. No, other things are happening. I agree, but you should not worry. That was the wrong result.